So friends, I was talking about a new and complete different geoscience, and from the viewpoint of large-scale similarity, symmetricity, and commons exist in the entire system of the universe. I mean that nebula and galaxy and spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and black holes and structure of stars and also planets and gas giant and rocky planets. So there is some common exist in universe. There exists some similarity and there exists some symmetricity in the entire universe. And this similarity and symmetricity and commons affect everything, not only geoscience, but everything affected by such similarity, symmetricity, and commons. And before you study different branches of science in effect of such similarity and symmetricity and commons, you should also note how geoscience and geology, geomorphology, structural geology, paleontology, and petrology, and every branch of geoscience affected by such a similarity, symmetricity, and commons. So, the earth, northern part of earth and southern part of earth are opposite motion. In northern upper part and southern in lower part, I mean half part of earth above and half part of the earth below, above equator and below equator. So you should note carefully how a basic common, a basic similarity and basic fundamental symmetricity that also found in nebula and stars and sun, in galaxies and in entire system of the universe. Now, how does that affect geoscience of the earth? I can very interestingly and very strongly I can show you this by part, fold, and also convergent plate motion, divergent plate motion, and transform plate motion, subduction, and everything. Every movement in our planet of continent plates and each type of motion of plates of continents, in plates of continents. So how similar fossils, animals, and plants found in two different continents or in other continents. It's very interesting to note that long time force of differential rotation. Differential rotation means that on different latitude, motion of matter in the earth is in opposite direction. So if you note this globe very carefully, and if you note carefully very this how similar coastline a similar coastline of South America and Africa. What is the main region that I have in my previous part of a new and completely different geoscience, that this coastline of South America and this coastline of Africa, why they seem to fit each other, you can very easily note that this is not region that they were fit to one another, and there was one supercontinent and Pangaea. This is very wrong thinking, and how I am presenting a new and complete different thinking, and what is the basic cause of such thinking. You should notice that you note that South America and North America and between both Americas and Mexico, Panama, Caribbean, what is the basic cause of such structure? And you note Africa and above Africa, European countries, and these are bending in opposite direction. So you note half part below equator and half part above equator. You can very easily understand that this globe is actually twisting opposite direction motion. So in early history of the earth, it was just similar to a gas giant planet, Neptune and super Earth and mini Neptune. Super Earth early from mini Neptune and mini Neptune to Neptune to mini Uranus and Uranus. So going back history of the Earth, you will find out that the motion of the matter is just similar to differential rotation that we can found in Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, Neptune. So how actually the dynamical nature of the Earth is working, how convection is working, and how convective force gives shape and give motion to our continents. So, dear friends, please starting from gas giant transformation and conversion. This process of conversion and transformation and also differential rotation at the same time. So unifying both things, transformation plus differential rotation. So you can note carefully the remnant of differential rotation plus contraction of the planet from big size to small size create lots of geological events, lots of geological things, and from early stage as Jupiter, how gas and water and atmosphere and water, ocean water and solid research get separated, how the planet comes this in habitable form. So please you notice how the structure formation on Arctic area, this structure you can compare with Saturn, Jupiter and Uranus, Neptune. If you compare both gas giant and rocky planet Earth, and also note carefully Antarctica. You note Antarctica, structure of Antarctica that we see. So this is Antarctica and North Pole, South Pole. So comparing lithosphere crust structure with other gas giant differential rotation, you come on the result. You come on the result that actually the region behind such structure of continents, North America, South America, and oceanic crest also, and all regions, Mid-Atlantic ridge and Africa and South America. India also, and in Indian Ocean, oceanic crest, and also New Zealand and Hawaii bending, and also Asia, between Asia and Australia, Philippines, Cambodia, and Singapore, and also structure, bending structure. So not only lithospheric and atmospheric circulation and ocean water current circulation in inner core and outer mantle core, the basic motion you can find out that this is opposite direction motion that started from Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and finally in the case of the Earth, you can see that how this dynamical motion now today we are seeing in our planet Earth. So friends, if you carefully note how a long process of conversion, not collision. So collision is not the region of birth of the Earth. So in first chapter of geoscience, that we study that formation and evolution of solar system by Kant and Laplace nebular hypothesis, that is wrong. And the correct theory, the appropriate and correct theory that we should note by NASA Kepler mission and other missions by European Space Agency and NASA and other space missions. So if you notice carefully that a large number of planets are found, and continuously we are find that there is a sequence, there is a very good chain of planets, and we can see easily how a planet actually take birth, and birth of not only Earth but also other planets, Mercury, Venus, and Earth, Mars, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, and all planets of solar system, and all planets in universe also, not only in our solar system but also in other solar system that we can search by our telescope or in so James Webb Space Telescope or Hubble Telescope or other telescope have discovered lots of planets we have found. But actually the question how the geology of the Earth, solidification of a planet create lithospheric and oceanic crust, and also origin of continents and oceans. So think large scale region, the large scale cause of such solidification and origin of continents and oceans, and also how the continents basic structure by this long process of conversion finally we found on our Earth. So I think you have you have understood that main region of not only of origin of continents and ocean, but also origin of life, origin of water and origin of ozone layer, and everything started by this conversion process. So I think you should and you also will note how a planet actually convert to in a rocky planet, how a gas planet finally in the case of the Earth, we can very easily note a good conversion and transformation process is the basic reason how a planet geology actually came in this form. So you have understood this not only by structure of the this structure. So if you note a physical map of the world, if you note very carefully, physical and map and everything, structure of lithosphere crust and ocean crust, and also everything of geoscience, not only structural geology, not only petrology, not only geomorphology or paleontology. In millions of years, continents, plates also yes move, but not by breaking of continent. Some friends are talking about that breaking of continents also today we can see of Africa, and motion of planets are continents plates also observed. But the region of basic formation of continents is not breaking by breaking of supercontinent Pangaea. Actually, breaking exists, I agree, but the region of breaking is different, and this is not indication of breaking of a supercontinent. Actually, long time twisting of Earth and coming of matter from inside to outside as a volcano eruption, and energy come out and matter come out from inner core to outer mental core to outer lithosphere crust. So formation of lithosphere crust is twisting of planet Earth, and matter regularly ejected by volcano eruption and formation of surface of continents. So you should not note carefully. Yes, drifting exists. Yes, drifting of continents exists also. But drifting, nature of drifting is not according to plate tectonic theory or Alfred Wegner theory. Actually, drifting of continents is a different region. So, the pressure force of gravity, twisting and tightening, and regularly eruption of matter and energy from inside to outside make the basic surface, and some surface subduction and some surface matter come above and formation of lithosphere crust. So you should note how surface of continents form. You can very easily note the regular eruption of I request to you that you should note carefully how this how this basic caused. So, so this conversion, this is conversion of because between Jupiter and Saturn, large number of planets are found, and between Saturn and Uranus, large planets, large number of planets found, and between Uranus and Neptune, and between Neptune and Super Earth to Earth. So you note how a planet solidifies, how the long process of conversion also you can note carefully this. This is long thinking of Pangaea. There was no Pangaea. Yes, continents move. Yes, continent plates move, and drifting is possible, but not according to this convection that breaks the continents. So drifting of continents and the different regions, because this is so. Now I am explaining also differential rotation at different time. Then you can see very easily, and note carefully how a planet. So note this S-type structure of continents and arrows and northern and southern hemisphere, and you can understand very easily that dynamical nature of continent plates actually basically if Australia moving north side or so actually Australia, why Australia is moving, or why other continent plates are also moving. The main reason is motion of continents plates continents plate is not according to plate tectonics or plate motion of according to breaking of Pangaea. Actually, this is the reason behind this is differential rotation of planet Earth, and twisting and tightening according to gravitation force. So, dear friends, what is the reason of such? So I am presenting the reason behind this. So dear friends, I am presenting the main reason, the basic reason. The main reason of continents of such structure, and also you note carefully. This differential rotation in Jupiter, and so you note carefully all these planets. You note carefully in Jupiter differential rotation in different latitude, and you can understand on North Pole and South Pole of Jupiter, and also note carefully in the case of Saturn, and also on North Pole and South Pole of Saturn, and also Uranus and Neptune, and then Neptune. So you can very easily understand the main reason is not breaking of any supercontinent bench. So similarity of So the evidences that explained by Alfred Wegner theory, I can also explain you all the main. So this is not due to because of a breaking of a supercontinent, similar fossils, similarity of minerals and rocks, and the reason behind this is differential because of the differential rotation and. So friends, note carefully how I explain all evidences and all reason that are presented by Alfred Wegner theory, and I can explain this all type of geological event, and so this movement of continent splits in different direction, convergent, divergent, and transform plate motion. I can explain all these. So this is so you note carefully how a long process of conversion, according to NASA Kepler mission, finally this is convergence process, and finally in the Earth. So you note why I am presenting a supercontinent, a gigantic illusion, and why I am so friends, you note carefully breaking of Africa. The main reason is not coming existence of a new continent and new ocean. This is not the basic reason. So main reason behind this is the main reason behind this the basic formation and evolution of a new idea of solar system, and then planets and Earth also. So birth of Earth, the age of the birth of the Earth is not 4.6 billion years. And why I am not agreeing, you can very easily understand that conversion of a gas-giant planet in rocky planet. So friends, in this presentation, in this part 7, I am actually presenting the main region of drifting and plate tectonics and all plate motion and all type of evidences that were presented by breaking of supercontinent. I also presenting this by conversion and differential rotation and a new type of gravity force. So in this today presentation, I request to all my friends, please consider, please think about a new geoscience, a new idea of birth of planet Earth. Because in first chapter of geology, we study formation and evolution of the solar system, birth of the Earth. So thank you.